Life Marketing Miracle. The National Virtual Card allows card to pay make payments outside Nigeria. So now this is what we're going to use appthegrid.co. So I'm having an account normally. So all I have to do just create now is an account. You can see now. So all we are putting is this. I'm putting my name, forget that. Then my number, that's my email address, and the password. Let me just put a password. Okay, then create account. Okay, so I'm not really required. Okay, my email address is not me. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, okay, perfect. Done is successful. So now they're going to verify me. So I have to enter an OTP. Just to go back to mail. I'm going to do that again. So I want to add my account. Add another account. Okay. So well, waiting for that. So it's going on smoothly. Okay, so wait for me to do that. Video will be on the bars. Well, as you can see, I can't get log in my account, but the email of this type will be sent in case like it might be when you don't want to reset your password or something like that. Then from there, as you can see, so this is where you can use to reset something like that. Then from there, I just have to log in since I can't get off my account. I want you guys to understand the fact Okay, send me a mail again. See? Okay. Okay. What waiting for then? As you can see, I'm being led to the dashboard already. So these are the dashboard, but you have to verify your account before you can use it. So while it's loading, okay. When it is done, I'll play the video. As you can see, everything is back in space. And now all you have to do is you can finish your account setup. This is simple. Just identity verification on and on like that. Once I click on document verification, so I've done I've done identity. See, this is what identity is all about. What this and this and this. So successful. So tutorial exists. So all we do is just okay. So you can see. So you can see when I click continue. So when you know the noise, so that you click continue, you can see this is what is going to bring out. So all that's left is just for you to verify your account. So allow. Nigeria. So I want to pick up my documents. Since I don't have document verified with me, I'm going to cancel it for now. So just exit verification. Then when you are done, let's go back up. When you are done, then just go to my dashboard. Just click on my dashboard then. Okay. What you are seeing is just so this is it. Then your balance is your euros account. You request for them. So once you request for them, you can see you can request for the account. So once you request, you see a message that is popping up here. See, yet to complete. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. See you in the next video. And don't forget to create your own virtual dollar card.